Hey, it's Steve.
And Kelly with Getting Fresh Air.
And we're on another hike for our Fall 50 Challenge. And today we're at the Hickory Cove Nature Preserve up on the northeast side of Montesano Mountain. So here we go.
Oh well.
We just finished up another one, 2.7 this time on the back side, northeast side of Montesano. I think that flips Kelly over 20 miles, so woo, she's getting there. Not even halfway through it. I think we got another week in October, so we're getting there, and we'll see you on the next hike.